and welcome to Explore Ballona. I'm Carolyn with Friends of Ballona Wetlands, and I want to welcome you to Superheroes of Nature. In this Superheroes of Nature series, we're going to be learning about the superpower adaptations of plants and animals, as well as how you can be a nature superhero. In this video, we're going to be learning about mammals. Mammals are the animals we recognize the easiest, but they're hiding plenty of impressive superpowers. Mammals are the animals that we recognize as having fur or hair covering their skin. So things like dogs, cats, rabbits, and more are mammals. There are also some kinds of mammals that we forget are mammals, like bats, whales, and more. So let's check out some of the superpower adaptations of our local mammals. What is an adaptation? It's kind of like a superpower. It's a special body part that could be on the inside or outside of a plant or animal that allows it to survive better in its habitat.
Coyotes, a member of the dog family, are a widespread mammal throughout the United States. One of their amazing adaptations, much like Wolverine, is their excellent sense of smell. They can smell thousands of times better than the average human. Their wet nose is a part of it, helping scent particles stick to it, but they also have a lot more olfactory receptors, or special parts of their nose that recognize different scents. Where a human might smell a pizza, a coyote can tell all the ingredients as well as where it came from. It's this ability to track a smell that helps members of the dog family to hunt for small animals like rabbits and ground squirrels. Though they are not always successful, and their prey get away. To stay one step ahead of predators like coyotes, some mammals have to be like Wonder Woman and be super quick. These cottontail rabbits have strong back legs that are ready to speed them away from danger at a moment's notice. California ground squirrels are also quick and agile. They are so quick they can sometimes avoid the strike of a snake. But for ground squirrels who are too slow and get bit by a rattlesnake, they have an extra superpower because they are immune to rattlesnake venom, so they still have a chance to get away. To protect their young, who do not have venom immunity yet, parents that find a rattlesnake skin chew it and then lick their young to help mask their scent. The mammals of Ballona Wetlands have not mastered invisibility as completely as Invisible Woman, but they do have camouflage. They are colors and patterns that help them blend in with their surroundings. For prey animals like cottontail rabbits and ground squirrels, this helps them stay hidden when predators and humans may unknowingly walk by them while they remain perfectly still. For predators like coyotes, it can help them as they hunt, as well as to evade the eyes of those they want to avoid.
Did you hear that? If you were a coyote, you might have. Coyotes and rabbits both have very large ears, and those large ears help them hear better. So if you want to test it out, put on your coyote ears and see how much better you can hear.
Coyotes use their excellent ears to survive, including at night. Another local mammal known for nocturnal activity, and the namesake of Batman, are bats. And like Batman, they are rarely seen or heard, as they fly around at night catching insects like moths. On a recent outing to see which bats were active at the Ballona freshwater marsh, our wildlife biologist, using a special microphone and app, was able to capture the sound of many different bats and identify some like this big brown bat. While the sounds of bat are often outside the range of human hearing, we do know that they are super. Bats use echolocation, or the bouncing back pattern of a sound wave, an echo, to locate where food is and what objects to avoid.
You did a marvelous job mastering those mammal superpowers. And you can be a nature superhero sidekick to mammals by safely observing them from a distance and never trying to feed them. If you want to learn more about other superheroes of nature, you can check out our other videos in this Superheroes of Nature series. And remember, keep exploring.